Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with Vichel and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Hello and welcome back to my channel hashtags with Vichel, and in this video we'll be creating an origami model called as the fighter plane. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, this is how the final model of fighter aeroplane looks like. So let's keep this aside and let's start making it. For this, you'll need a rectangular piece of paper. The width should be 25 centimeters, approximately 25 centimeters. Yeah, and height should be 20 centimeters. Alright, so first you need to fold from this point till this point. Since it's a rectangle, this corner can't reach this corner directly, making a triangle. So we need to fold something like this. Match the edges properly. Press it properly so that you get a proper crease. Similarly, we do it on the other side. So you get an X formed over here. Now you need to fold from this horizontal line from here till this center point, like this, but on the other side. So you can match these creases properly, edge to edge. And then fold it. Now you open it back. You have these creases formed. All you need to do is press it like this to form a triangle. Adjust it properly so that you get sharp edges. Alright, now you have to fold this bottom edge till it's half, like this. Now turn your paper and then fold this bottom edge till this edge, basically, like here. If you can see this end point and this end point, if you draw a line, you'll get an edge over here. Until that edge, basically, you need to fold it like this. Press it properly. Now you can see there is one flap opening over here. So you have to make a triangle, something like this. From this edge you match it, and on this side also you have to match it properly. These are nothing but the wings of the fighter aeroplane. This is how it looks. Similarly, you do it on this side. Match it properly and then fold it. This is how it looks. Now turn your paper and open your one flap on this side and fold this entire thing something like this. Try to be very precise at this point, since it's the tip of your aeroplane. That should look good. So properly press it and then make this fold. Now you have this point over here, and you consider the center of this approximately somewhere here, and then you fold it like this, matching that center point and this point. You fold it like this. Same thing, you need to do it on the opposite side. So first we fold it till the center, considering the edges properly. And now we can take the reference of this point basically, and then you fold it like this. So if you open it, this is how it looks. Now turn your paper, fold your flaps. There should be one flap on this side and one flap on this side. So fold your two flaps on one side, and then you need to make a wing. Let's first adjust this. Then you need to make a wing like this. You have to leave slight portion here, and you have to align this tail wing to this side wing, something like this, and then make a crease, and then you fold it. Similarly, you do it on this side. You can take the reference of this side. So you have this reference point, and then you fold it. This is a symmetric model, so you generally make the same set of folds which you make on one of the sides. Okay, so now turn your paper. Now you have this one full flap and you have this wing tip. Open them and then you fold this portion like this. Consider this tips properly and then press it. Similarly, you do it on this side. Press it like this properly. This is how it looks. Right, now the difficult part. You need to bend this slightly till here, and then use your index finger and your thumb and middle finger like this, hold your plane like this, and then slightly you need to make a twist. Try to make it properly so that it doesn't spoil the shape of the plane. Slowly bend them, keeping your fingers so that there is a peak formed over here, something like this. Slowly you can make one fold like this, actually that will be better. On this side and on this side, if you see, I just made a slight fold so that this folding becomes easy. Now fold it, and then we need to press our plane like this. You see, it forms something like this. Now we need to open this slightly, and this is a symmetric model, right? So all the parts on this side, you need to fold it like this. From the tip of this side till the edge of this side, leaving slight space over here. If you can see, there is slight space. This fold doesn't touch this edge. Okay, press it properly. This needs to be pressed properly since this is a there are actually multiple layers of papers over here, so folding will be difficult. Similarly, we need to fold it on this side. You can take the reference and then fold it. You can use your nail or some sort of a pokey thing or a needle or something to properly align it. Open it back, and this is how it looks, nice and clean. Now you need to adjust the wing tips properly. And then slightly fold the wingtip over here, this side and on this side, and this is the final fighter airplane model. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest updates. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you all back in my next video. Take care guys.